Whoo, doggy! How y'all doing today? This here's Bubby G, and I'm with Southern Blessed Homestead, and today we gonna do some barbecuing for Crazy Egg Barbecue Contest. We gonna get her done. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna point the camera down here to me working the magic. I'm gonna be rubbing the seasoning on the pork. Get it all rubbed in and rub my meat real good. I like to rub my meat real good. Yeah, and sometimes I beat my meat and tenderize it, but I don't have my little hammer, so I won't be beating my meat on this video, but I will be rubbing my meat, so y'all check it out, okay? And the most important thing is, please stay hydrated. We don't want you to pass out face first into the grill and get a grill face. That happened to my cousin, and ever since then we called him grill face. You don't want that to happen. Stay hydrated. Woo, doggy. Oh yeah. Gonna put some rub on here, some little Miss Lippy's pork is good. Oh yeah. Woo, look at that. Oh, I just love to rub my meat. Oh, rub it down there real good and get that seasoning in there. Woo. Oh my goodness. Woo, woo, woo. That's some good stuff right there. Yeah. All right, I'm not gonna make y'all watch all these, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rub my meat down real good with some seasoning. We gonna get them on the grill. But trust me, I rubbed her down real good. This here is some fresh farm raised pasture tender loving care pork from BW Family Farms over in Arkansas. Them some good people. Go check them out. BW Family Farms. Look at that. Oh doggy. Y'all are looking going, what kind of seasoning you got on there, Bubby G? I'm gonna show you right now. You ain't gonna believe this. We got some porking good seasoning from Miss Lippy's Bayou Blend. Woo, woo, man. Y'all go check her out at Gemini Homestead. Gemini Homestead. Miss Lippy, she's such a sweet lady. Go check her out. The icing on the cake. This here is the icing on the cake. This here's some homemade barbecue sauce, Louisiana Cajun style, all the way from Broussard's Homestead, deep in the Cajun country of Louisiana. This here's some homemade barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna tell you what, it's so good it make you slap your mama. I done slapped her once because it's so good. I'm not lying. Okay, so I done got my meat rubbed down. It's time to get the grill. It's time to get the grill going. Got to scrape it a little bit from the last time. It's all kind of nasty. So you give me a minute. We clean that grill up and we're going to get her done right now. Going to get her done right now. Woo! Get that grill clean. Yeah. Yeah. Kill all them germs and amoebas and all that other kind of stuff. Kill them all off. Kill them good. Woo, scrape it clean. Woo, doggy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's time, folks. It is time. It's time to slap some meat on here. Woo, doggy. Slap it on there. Oh yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for this pork chop we's about to eat. Oh, oh mercy. Look at that. The Lord shall provide. Woo. Mercy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna close this. We're gonna close this and I'm gonna put this sucker for 5 minutes. We're gonna do 5 minutes. If I can get this thing going. I'm getting sauce all over my phone. Okay, start. We're doing 5 minutes on one side, then we're gonna flip it over and do 5 more minutes. And then we're gonna baste it with some barbecue sauce and let it cook on there. Oh, it's gonna be so good, people. It's gonna be real good. Stay tuned. Whoo, look down in there. Whoo, oh, look at that. You can see the flames shooting out of there. Y'all see the flames shooting out of there? And the smoke. The smoke. Oh, it's some good stuff going on in here right now. Sometimes I get careless and I burn the crap out of it. I don't care. I still eat it. I'm not picky. I burn the crap out of it and I eat it. I don't care. Oh my goodness. Somebody get the fire extinguisher. We got a fire going on. We got a situation. We got a situation going on in here right now. Oh my sweet Jesus. Whoa! 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 Down, boy, down. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Yeah. Get them flames are going. Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. We're gonna do 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. And it's eating time, people. Oh my goodness! Somebody call the fire department. Woo! Somebody call the fire department. Oh my goodness! Sweet Lord! Oh, what is going on? What is going? What is going on in here? Oh my goodness! Gum, caught my drip pan on fire. Did you see the flame shooting up? Lord have mercy on me. Woo! 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 Y'all need to calm down. Calm down in there. I ain't never in my life, people. Ain't never in my life. Woo! Get all that grease off there and all that juice. Woo, making it flame up there. Look, I just pour it off. It'll be alright. Pouring it off. Woo. There we go. Pour that grease off there. Drain it. That there is some good quality pork. I'm serious. Go check out BW Family Farms. We bought a half a hog from them. Oh, Oh, it's so good. That is best meat, I tell you what. It's some good stuff. Check them out. BW Family Farms. Don't forget, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. It's time to stop. All right. Time to put some barbecue on here, people. Ooh, doggy. Oh, yeah. Let's flip them over here real quick. Whoa! Woo, a lot of grease. Whoa! Oh, the fire department. Dadgum. It will burn my grill up. Oh, my goodness. Get down, boy, get down. This here is Broussard's Homestead Special Cajun Recipe. Go check them out, Broussard Homestead. Oh, look at that. That is some Cajun goodness right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like to lay it on real good. Oh my goodness. It's so good my tongue is about to beat my brains out trying to get to it. I'm serious. I like to lay it on good and thick. I like it. These pork chops are already done, so I'm just trying to hurry up and get these sauce on here, you know, so it'll bake and dry on there real good. That's all I'm doing right now. I've turned my burners down real low. That grease still got it kicking up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We almost done here, people. Ooh, I gotta hurry up. Y'all hear that thunder? Woo! Oh my goodness. I'm about to get rained on, people. I got to hurry up. I got to hurry up. Oh my goodness. Woo! Man. We'll add a little bit more on there. Oh yeah. My motto is the more the merrier. You can apply that logic to anything in life. The more the merrier. Wish I had a car. The more the merrier. See? Wish I had a fishing pole. The more the merrier. It'll work for anything in life. Wish I had a girlfriend. The more the merrier. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding on that one now, okay? I'm gonna get in trouble for that one. I'm just kidding on that one. Woo! Oh my goodness, I gotta watch myself. Well, there you go, folks. There you go. I am done. We'll slap these things on here in this plate. Woo! Slap them on here. There we go. There we go. Turn them burners off. Shut it down. Make sure all the fire's out. Make sure all the fire's out real good. Okay, people. Whew. I tell you what, it's hot out here, people. It's hot. Oh my goodness. Whew. Humidity's terrible. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna be serious here for a minute. I know we were having a good time and joking, and you know, in the video, we was trying to make a good video for y'all, but I just want to thank Crazy Ed for you know, letting me do this video. It's real nice. He's a real nice guy. I've met him in person. I shook his hand, gave him a hug. He's a good man. And I'd like to just give a shout out to all my non-paying sponsors and my non-paying people that support me, and that would be BW Family Farms. They got some good pork. Check them out. Miss Lippy's. Whoo, oh my goodness, that seasoning is so good. Gemini Homestead. Check Gemini Homestead out. And then my Cajun friends down there in Louisiana, Broussard's Homestead. Check them out. They some good people. And last but not least, check us out, Southern Blessed Homestead. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something and had a little fun, had a little laugh. And I just appreciate y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Share, man. Share it. It don't cost nothing. Give it away. Share this video. Hope y'all have a Southern blessed day. God bless.